Monster Truck Throwdown returns to the Bridgeport Motorsports Park in Swedesboro, New Jersey for 2 huge shows May 29th and 30th. See 8 of the top monster trucks in the world, featuring Jim Kohler in Avenger, Brutus, Storm Damage, Hurricane Force, Buckshot, Jester, Kraken, and Toxic, featuring 3 competitions: Best Trick, Racing, and Freestyle. See Freestyle Motocross and take a ride on the real monster truck. Kids tickets start at just $10. Tickets available at BridgeportMotorsportsPark.com. Come 2 hours early for the free pit party. Engines fire at 7 and 2. Purchase official Monster Truck Throwdown merchandise. We'll see you there May 29th and 30th.